Hey guys, what's going on? Dillon DeJesus here, and today we're going to be taking a look at how you can easily achieve a Bel Air or 90s pattern on any of your shoes. Now this is definitely one of my favorite patterns or themes to do, and probably something you guys might have seen us do in the past. We created a ton of the Nike Bel Air Roches years back. And I think that a theme like this, since it's so bright, loud, colorful, and bold, can really work great on almost any shoe, whether you're splitting it up and only doing it on certain panels like this Air Force One where we're only doing it on the toe box and the swoosh, or if you're just trying to do it all over. There's a lot of cool stuff you can do with a pattern like this. So now for the actual process, I already have our toe box and our swoosh taped off. Since we're going to be working with neon colors, this is where that paint buildup technique that we always talk about really comes in handy. Since the main color we're going to be working with on both of these panels is a bright neon pink, I'm going to lay down a really light whitish pinkish as my initial base color. Now on each coat after that, I'm going to continue to mix in a little bit more of our actual neon pink color. And in total, this only ended up taking about 4 super light coats with an airbrush. Now for the actual print, I'm going to be using this Bel Air or 90s themed stencil that we just released. And in order to break up some of the pink, I'm going to start by using the larger triangle portions of the stencil to lay down some pale blue. After that, I'm going to mix together a little bit of purple and dark blue in order to lay down some of the cement print. After that, I'm just going to play around with various neon colors and use all of these different fun 90s shapes that'll definitely bring back some nostalgia. This part is totally up to you. Have fun with it and try new things. If you are going to be working with some of the neon colors, one recommendation I do have though is that you are going to need to spray them a little bit thicker than you might be used to since they are so thin. Once we have all of our stenciling done, I'm going to utilize some of these nail dotting tools at various sizes and lay in some bright neon green and yellow dots throughout. While those are drying, I'm going to hit both panels with a little bit of neon yellow splatter by using an old toothbrush. Then just for a little bit more of a color pop, I'm going to be outlining each of those neon dots with a little bit of a contrasting color. Now all we have left to do is a little bit of touch-ups around our edges, and like a wise man once said, say your prayers, eat your veggies, and always paint your edges. And that's it, a super quick tutorial on how you can easily achieve a Bel Air pattern. This is something that definitely brings back some nostalgia vibes. I'm sure you can think of all those wallpapers and whatnot from the 90s. If you've ever been wondering what's the shoe that I've recreated the most in my life, it would definitely be these white Bel Air Roches that we did back in the summer of 2016. Also, if you guys haven't already, make sure you come on over to the official Toothpick Gang Discord. We will have that linked in the description. A great place to chat with other like-minded people who love custom sneakers. But otherwise, I'm Dillon DeJesus, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching this week's video. We want to give a huge shout out to our customizer of the week, East Coast Customs. These Juice WRLD blazers that he did are absolutely insane. Also guys, we have 2 episodes of reviewing your customs dropping this month, so it's going to be absolutely crazy. Alright guys, get out there and just create.